The Commowner 5000 PSI Powerwasher offers a versatile and powerful cleaning experience with adjustable pressure settings ranging from 2,500 to 5,000 pounds per square inch. This electric power washer is designed for both durability and efficiency, delivering up to 4 gallons per minute to tackle even the toughest dirt and grime. With its 4 universal quick connect tips, you can easily switch between different pressures to suit various surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean without causing damage. The inclusion of a 500 milliliter foam cannon enhances the cleaning process by generating rich suds for car washing and other applications. Energy conservation is prioritized with the automatic stop feature, which halts operation when the trigger is not engaged, extending the life of the machine. The user-friendly design of the Commowner Powerwasher allows for straightforward assembly and operation, making it accessible for both homeowners and professionals.